guys, and have fun watching this video.
Welcome back to Bass Tracking Machine. In this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of fishing. We got the buckets all ready. We got that ready. I actually already caught one. I'll show you him. He'll probably be in the thumbnail of the video. Just doing a little bit of catch and release. So let's go ahead and get into fishing. So, I don't know if y'all can see good or not. I gotta find something that can prop it all up. Alright, that's not working. Look, you can see him over there. See him? See him right there? Yeah. Getting it pretty good. I'm gonna try right there. Like that. That's the best angle I can get. Sorry. I'm gonna take a little bit of bread. Ooh. I think it's really shaking. I'm gonna put it on the hook. Crap. The hook's stuck on the bottom of the thing. How's that happen? Alright, never mind. I gotta go down underneath the dock real quick to grab that hook off. So let me see what I'm working with over here. There's the hook. That's the line. Come on, baby. What the heck? Now, how does that get stuck? I mean, talking right there. Hang on. Hang on, y'all. Technical difficulties. Still technical difficulties. Some. Got the hook out. It's a little tiny hook. That's the hook we're going to be using. Alright. Now, walk back on my old rickety dock. And this is my little tackle box. Couple Googan Squad baits, stuff like that. Right. Lock it out. Okay, that's the best angle I can give y'all. Without y'all falling. And y'all might be falling. Oh! I did not mean to do that. I just threw a minnow back and the bass got a hold of it for sure. There's a rocky. Very rocky. Alright. We got a little bit of bread on a hook. Right there. I just lost the bread on the hook. So I gotta rebait it. My bad. We're not looking for big sunbelly bass, as is what's in here. Sunbelly bass. I think that's their actual name. Never even heard of them in Florida. But now, without further ado, let's give this thing another toss out into the water. Follow the bobber. Alright, it's right there. We're gonna catch one. Ready? And dunk, just like that, y'all. We got ourselves a little fish. Hopefully y'all could see that pretty good. Yes. This is actually a small cod. This is actually a good size, very good size. Some belly bass right there. Just like that, we're gonna put him in the bucket. After I get my other one up. Well, this one's fast in here. Other one. get him. That's the thing. He's gonna make a whirlpool on himself. Got him. Alright. Here is actually the one I caught earlier. You can see him pretty good. Alright, we're gonna turn him loose. So, since I caught a smaller one, don't need this one no more. Alright. Come on, y'all. With the little bass, we heading into... Ah, shoot. Dropping the camera, dropping the camera. There it goes, right there. These look like bluegill. I don't know why they're called red-bellied bass. Alright. Let's turn him loose. And down he goes. Where'd he go? Hopefully y'all could see that of where he went. We down here in the pond. Alright, we caught a smaller one. That's good. Still not quite the right size for my fish tank, which I have a bluegill in right now. And he's not big enough to go out here. He'll get demolished by these things. These things are aggressive if y'all seen that. Alright, that's one. I put this guy in the bucket. There he is down there. I'll show you all him more in detail later in the video if we end up keeping him. See? Don't catch a smaller one. We won't probably keep him either. Not quite sure. He's not really the right size for fish tank. But I have 2 tanks, so we'll figure out this video what I'm doing here. Alright. Just like we did before, I put a smaller bait on. So we might, smaller piece of bread, so we might be able to pull out another one. I see one right there. You're gonna plunk it right there. Alright. I missed him. Okay, y'all. I missed that guy. I actually don't know how I missed him. Like, that's not that good. Shouldn't be missing fish like that. Should not be missing fish. Alright. Look it up again. Take 2. We're fishing until I run out of bread. Fishing until I run out of bread. Alright. Let's cast them on out. Cast that one on out. Alright, fishing until I run out of bread. No way. Okay, these fish are getting smart. Sorry for the airplane noise. Stupid airplane noise. We gotta put a bigger piece of bread on. This is how much bread we have left. Pieces of bread left, and these fish are, as you can see, extremely smart. And we're going, we just gotta fish, you know? You ever heard anybody say that saying? You just gotta fish. You just gotta fish. I can't tell if my bread's still on or not, because I think it just got stolen from me. Son of a gun, it did. It really did. Are we only gonna catch 1 fish in this video? Like, that can't be. There's no way we can only catch 1 fish in this video. Oh, that's awesome. We only got a little. We ain't got much left. I'm gonna try to throw it where y'all can see. I just realized that y'all really can't see that good. Sorry for my dog. Couldn't really tell you what she's barking at. She's just barking. Alright, we flattened it down. Should stay on. Misty! The awkward silence there. Misty, hush. Hush! She talks back to you. As y'all can clearly see, she does talk back to you. Come on. Come on, fish. Take the bait. Take the bait. Come on. Oh, they're robbing it. They're robbing it. Y'all, I cannot believe this. They're actually robbing it off. We're only gonna catch one in this video, it looks like, because they only got 3 more pieces of bread. We're gonna see what happens with these 3 pieces, though. Hey, I'm saying we still could catch one. I think all the big fish went to sleep, though. Looks like just got the little crumbs. But that is what we need. We need little crumbs. Ah, son of a gun. He took the bait. You can have it. Take it down with you. It's a deep bottom. Alright. Second piece of little bread going on the hook. Second last piece of bread. Hey, at least we caught a fish in this video. That's all I can say. At least we caught a fish. At least. That is all I can say. I'm going to set the hook on this one. Still got a little piece. No! I'm going to get really mad here. Okay, alright. Last piece of bread. Going on the hook. See what we can catch. Come on. Come on. They stole it. They stole it. Well, that is officially all my bread. We only did catch 1 fish in this video. But after further, hang on, I'm getting all this stuff hooked up real quick. Stuff like that. But after further thinking, I'm gonna get this bait out of the tree. It's stuck in the tree. Yeah, but I'm just gonna reel it up, let it fly. Woo! Look at that. Fishing rod is just literally hanging. It's just hanging from the water. The line's all the way up there. That's my little pole holder. Tackle box. I showed y'all all that. Alright, well, let's look at this fish in closer detail and let's see if I'm gonna put it in my tank or not. I got a big tank. Oh, stinking thing. Come on, where's you at, buddy? Where is you at? Where is you at? Woo! He's jumping. He's soggy, yeah. Come on, soggy tail. Oh, dude, he's perfect size for a fish tank. I think I'm gonna have to go with it. Yeah, I'm going with it. So I'm going to put him in my tank. I have 2 fish tanks. Bluegill, I'm just gonna have to put him on the bottom for now until I get somewhere where I can put him. But I can't believe I'm actually gonna say this, but I think I'm putting him in my tank. It's official. I'm putting him in my tank. I got a big tank and got a little tank. But y'all are gonna have to wait for that video. I know it sucks, But he's got to acclimate and stuff, and it'll just be a long night. So I'm just gonna let him acclimate all night. Or crap. You know, I can let him acclimate for like 10 minutes or so, but it won't be in this video. You'll have to stay tuned for part 2, which will be posted. Wait, guys. I just found another piece of bread. You know what we gotta do. We gotta fish with it. Find another piece of bread, dude, you always gotta fish with it. Alright. I just found one last piece of bread. The very last piece of bread. Y'all ready for this? We can see if we can't catch a smaller one or what we gotta do here. Alright. This is the official last piece of bread. Alright. Okay, the fish took it. It's been sitting out in the sun for a little while now. Alright. But that is the last part of my video. If y'all guys like these fishing videos, let me know. But I will be putting that fish in my fish tank. He's chilling right now in the bucket. I don't know if y'all can see him or not. He's right there on that side. Leave some names in the comments because one of my videos you just have to look for a little while. But one of my videos do have comments, so leave some name suggestions in the comments below. But without further ado, stay tuned for part 2 when we put him in my fish tank inside the house. But until then, peace out.